Health experts say it can happen 4 weeks after patients are diagnosed with COVID-19.
What we're finding is about anywhere from 10 to 25% of individuals who have COVID later on develop what we call COVID long-haul symptoms.
COVID-19 long-haul symptoms can include fatigue, cough, shortness of breath, chest pain, joint and muscle pain, and difficulty sleeping.
These symptoms are symptoms that we could help with our chronic disease self-management workshop.
The 6-week complimentary workshop at Lee Heath teaches participants how to manage the symptoms of chronic disease.
The tools that participants learn in these workshops are such things as how to get a good night's sleep. And we teach breathing techniques that's going to help with shortness of breath and the cough. We teach healthy eating, which is so important for any chronic health condition. The importance of physical activity.
Each week, participants develop an action plan to make improvements in a specific area of their health.
The workshops were originally developed at Stanford University, and they're taught worldwide. And it doesn't matter what chronic health condition the person has. We all come together collectively because we share so many common denominators.
The classes are offered virtually in hopes of helping patients better manage their symptoms and live a better quality of life. For Lee Heath, I'm Lindsay Morton.